folks, it's Dylan here from EatWild. Now, if you're on your journey to become a hunter, there's quite a road to get there. Now, with EatWild, we've got a little bit of a roadmap for you to help you find your way to becoming a hunter. Now, the first thing you need to do is get certified to hunt. There's two parts of that. Number one is you got to get your firearms safety course. That's the Canadian Firearms Safety Course. You can do that with us. Secondly, you need to take your core class. That's Conservation Outdoor Recreation Education program that'll certify you to get your hunting license. Once you've got the certifications out of the way, you got to build your skills, confidence, and knowledge to become a hunter. Now at EatWild, we offer a number of courses and workshops for you to build your confidence and skills to become a hunter. So we do a series of field workshops. In the field, we support you with mentors. We surround you with other hunters so you can go on your learning journey with other folks. So look for our hunter field skills workshop or a backpack hunter workshop along the way. Once you're a little further down the road, we have a bow hunter workshop if you want to head in that direction. We also have a number of online courses to help you build your knowledge and confidence to become a hunter. So you can check out our EatWild online school for courses on specifically how to hunt elk, deer, moose, how to stay safe in bear country, a whole bunch of other fun stuff you can find in our catalog of online courses to help prepare you to become a hunter. Lastly, don't forget to listen to our podcast. It's all about learning how to hunt. And you can hear stories and lessons from over the years of our hunting journeys. So I want to invite you along on your journey to become a hunter. Looking forward to getting to know you either in a course or in the field and along the way.
Well, that's a successful elk hunt, Jenny. Well done. Putting all those lessons to work.
All the EatWild lessons to work.